Okay, let's proceed with the next currency pair. So this trade is also closed with profit. Observing Audi USD currency pair right now, I have already opened sell position because according to the current market structure, the price has been trying to break through the resistance line zone several times, but all of them were unsuccessful. So that's why, according to the master balance strategy, we have opened sell position expecting the potential pull back from this resistance line zone, and that's it. Now we're just waiting for the result of it. Okay, let's proceed with the next currency pair. Here we were moving in the downgoing channel. The price was stopped by the support line zone. Then declining channel turns into flat channel. But let me try to draw for you the trend line so that you can see. Maybe we can still try to work with the downgoing channel. Now, if we consider this to be the false breakout, let me try to open sell position. No, better to buy. I will explain you why did I buy. Because, yep, my first thoughts were right. Because I saw that the price is reversing and we're changing the direction. Price, anyway, has been stopped by the resistance, by the support line zone, and buyers became more powerful. They took advantage on this stop and they started to pushing price higher. So that's why, of course, it's better just to admit it and open buy position as we have already done, in order to not so fuck up with the possibility of opening sell position in such reversing situation. Well, so this trade was also closed with profit. We have 368 bucks. Now let me change our investment to $300. Let me change our investment to 450 bucks. And let me open sell position because I expect the potential breakthrough of that zone. I will explain you why. Because the first attempt was not successful. We started receiving the pullback reaction, but actually it was very weak. We just showed a small upgoing correction. We hit the trend line, and after this we dropped once again. And this is just the retest of the support line zone, and I am sure that, yep, as you can see, even now we're breaking through it, so that's why everything is going fine, and we will get our money from this trade. By the way, guys, don't forget to open description to this video and subscribe to my private TJ if you want to trade like me and get money daily. You will get best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more stuff that will help you to become professional and experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you'll get access to the same kind of online trading sessions. So don't waste your time, do this right now. Write me, subscribe, and use the link in the description. See you all. Do this. Okay, we are waiting. This trade was also closed with profit. We have $1,045 on the account right now, and we are moving forward. Let me change our investment to 700 bucks. So this trade is also closed with profit, $1,689 on the account. Let's proceed further. Let me check CHF GPI. Here we're moving in the declining channel. According to the zigzag and fractal, we're in the sell zone. Let me change our investment to $900 and let's open. Wait, situation looks quite interesting. Maybe it will be even, Yep, let us try to open buy position here, because according to the candle movements that I'm observing right now, the price is ready to reverse, at least for a short-term outgoing correction. So that's why let's thrive on this situation. Let's get use of it. I am sure it will be a nice one. It will be a nice decision. So it's done. We have $2,517 on the account, $100 on the account, and we have multiplied our balance 25 times more. If you want to have the same result like me, it's absolutely possible, but you need to join my Telegram channel right now and get what is yours. Open description, use the link, and be with me. See you all, and bye-bye.